Your phone's eye, a hacker's prize. Our phones are like extensions of ourselves. We use them for everything. Calls, texts, online shopping, banking, you name it. But here's a scary thought. What if someone was secretly watching you through your phone's camera? Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? Well, phone camera hacking is a real threat. It's happening more often than we'd like to think. The bad guys aren't just after your vacation photos anymore. They want access to your personal life, your private moments, and even your financial information. That's why understanding this threat and learning how to protect yourself is crucial. See the threat. So what exactly is phone camera hacking? Imagine someone taking control of your phone's camera without you knowing. They can see what you see, record videos, and even snap photos, all without that telltale blinking light. Why is this so dangerous? Your phone's camera is a direct window into your life. Hackers can use it to spy on you, steal your identity, or even blackmail you with embarrassing footage. They could see your passwords as you type, listen in on your conversations, or even track your every move. It's a serious privacy violation that can have devastating consequences. Malware, the unseen enemy, sneaking through the back door. One of the most common ways hackers target your phone's camera is through malware. Malware is like a digital virus that infects your device. It can come disguised as a harmless app, a file download, or even a link in an email. Once it's in, malware can give hackers remote access to your camera. They can then turn it on and off at will, record video, and take pictures without your knowledge. It's like having a hidden camera in your pocket, silently feeding information to someone with malicious intent. That's why being careful about what you download and click on is crucial. Exploiting the cracked software gaps as open doors. Think of your phone's operating system like a fortress protecting your data. Software vulnerabilities are like tiny cracks in the walls. Hackers can exploit these weaknesses to bypass security measures and gain control of your device, including the camera. These vulnerabilities often exist in outdated software. That's why keeping your phone's operating system and apps up to date is so important. Updates often include security patches that fix these vulnerabilities, making it much harder for hackers to exploit them. It's like reinforcing the walls of your fortress, making it more resistant to attacks. Remember, outdated software is an open invitation for hackers. Section 5. Hey, click this. Social engineering, the human factor. Sometimes the weakest link in the chain isn't your phone's software, it's, well, you. Social engineering is a sneaky tactic where hackers manipulate you into giving them access to your device. They might send you phishing emails disguised as legitimate companies, asking you to click on a malicious link or download an infected file. Once you do, they gain a foothold into your phone and can potentially access your camera. Always be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or links, even if they seem to be from a trusted source. Think before you click, and never share your personal information unless you're certain of the recipient's identity. Section 6. Hackers Toolkit, Metasploit and ADB, Digital Lockpicks. Hackers have a whole toolbox of tricks up their sleeves, and two of the most common tools are Metasploit and ADB, or Android Debug Bridge. Metasploit is a powerful framework that allows hackers to exploit vulnerabilities in software. Think of it as a master key that can unlock various digital doors. It can be used to gain access to your phone's camera if there are any known vulnerabilities. ADB, on the other hand, is a command line tool originally designed for developers to communicate with Android devices. However, hackers can misuse it to gain unauthorized access to your phone's system, including the camera. These tools highlight the complexity of the issue and the importance of staying informed about potential threats. Section 7. Shield Up, Protecting Your Digital Life Practical Tips. Now that you know the dangers, let's talk about how to protect yourself. First and foremost, always be mindful of the apps you download. Stick to official app stores like Google Play Store and Apple App Store. They have more stringent security checks, making it harder for malicious apps to slip through. Don't just download an app because it has good reviews. Take a closer look. Check the app permissions before installing. Does a simple flashlight app really need access to your camera and microphone? If something feels off, it probably is. Remember, being cautious can go a long way in keeping your phone secure. Section 8. Software updates and strong passwords, your first line of defense. We've talked about software updates before, but it's worth repeating. Regularly updating your phone's operating system and apps is like locking your front door. It's basic security hygiene. These updates often include patches for known vulnerabilities, making it much harder for hackers to exploit them. And speaking of locks, let's not forget about passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, including your Google or Apple account, which are linked to your phone. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Think of it as your digital shield, protecting your personal information from prying eyes. Section 9. Stay sharp, stay safe. Vigilance is key. Protecting yourself from phone camera hacking isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Stay informed about the latest threats and security best practices. Be wary of suspicious emails, links, and attachments. Pay attention to app permissions. And if something feels off, trust your gut. It's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the risks and taking preventative measures, you can significantly reduce your chances of becoming a victim of phone camera hacking. Stay safe out there.